Good morning. Good morning. It's nice to see y'all beautiful face so early in the morning. So I wanted to talk about Jordan a little bit. I kind of like had touched on it, and I need advice. I really do need advice. He's autistic, and for the longest time I was just like, I'm not gonna put that out there on my baby. I'm not gonna. I didn't want to claim it because I was like, I was in denial because I was like, you know, he's gonna come around and, you know, but I'm gonna show you guys something, and for you guys to realize how bad he's doing in school. So okay, so this is Jordan's test thing, and if you realize for social studies, or what is that? For social studies, he did nothing. For math, he did nothing. He filled nothing out. And if you go over here and compare it to another child, which I think this is Destiny, you can see the difference. Like, look at that compared to that. Even my first grader, if I was to compare it with my first grader, guys, if you look at that, you can see that that is a child that is struggling really bad. And yeah, this is his brother. This is his twin brother. And look at the difference. Look at the difference between him and his twin brother. Major difference here. So he is struggling. Even his teacher said to me, you know, he was like, I was gonna call you and tell you that you need to pull him out from private school because it's not even worth it. It's like, it's not worth it, you know, to have him in a school where he's not getting help, because in public schools they had IEPs, and they had people that worked with them, you know, special education and stuff like that. I want to give him the same opportunities as his brothers, but at the same time, if he's not taking advantage of these opportunities, then it's a waste of money. What I'm looking for is for people that have children that have autism or autism. I know nothing about it. I haven't even researched or done anything because I didn't want to claim it, but just as, and it's not to say that Jordan is not smart. Jordan is, even the teachers are puzzled because the way his brain works and the questions that he asks and stuff, you would not think that that is coming from a child that's not intelligent. He's very intelligent. He asks questions that wrecks your brain, and you're like, what? Wait a minute, give me a second to think here. You know what I mean? And he's very creative. Things that he likes, he focuses on. He's like, he's zooming on it, and that's just what consumes him. School, he could care less. And also, he's very antisocial. You never see him wanting to be in the vlogs or anything. When you do see him, he does have this, you know, look about him like he's frightened, or, you know, he's not social. Like, even in school, they're like, you know, he doesn't really talk to anyone. And he's always by himself doing something. He's very distracted, and you know, his teacher's like, I'll pull him out of the classroom to give him his test, because inside of the classroom he doesn't focus, and you know, he's like, it's rough for him. It's really rough. But I just needed, you know, oh wow, 4 minutes. Anyways, that's all I wanted to say is, what do you guys, if you have children that has autism, oh, I can't even speak it, that has autism, how do you work with them? You know, this is new for me. You know, I don't, for the longest time they were just like, he has ADHD, and you know, he has a learning disability and all of that, but my son needs help. Anyways, I'm about to make breakfast, lunch for these kids. Maddie's already acting up. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I need all the juice and stuff. You guys need to get out your juice, and I need containers. I'm making them these little corn muffin dog thingy. And this is how lazy I am. I could have Let me see how good I am. Oh man, I'm not. I failed. No, I'm failing life this year. Guys, I'm failing life this year.
Okay. No, you're not. You're literally not.
I'm not. Oh, you guys are the sweetest. I didn't know better. Oh, I am so blessed.
So,
now I need milk. I need milk. Maddie.
I saw you sink. Finally, someplace I found peace in the dark of night. Tabletops counting hours in the early hours. Stone cold inside. Banging drops dancers, never needing answers. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights go. We wander all alone, but we can't deny we are the street light people. Chasing whatever kills for so long, I forgot how it feels.
So it's all done. Well, it's blurred. So it's all done. We didn't have enough to make 3 extras, but
Put water here.
yeah.
Little thief. She's still in the kids grape out of their out of their lunch container. Stop it, you little thief.
Over there.
Yes.
Jackie, guys, it'll only be 30 people in the room. It's still there, but I don't.
What are you doing?
Excuse me.
Don't touch your stuff. I'm not playing with you. Get your little hands out of there. Look at the stool. Maddie, no.
Do not do that.
Maddie, no.
Excuse me. Hi, guys.
Good morning, Jackson.
What? I don't know.
You just said you came back?
Guys, look what I found. Food markers. I'm about to recreate this little star here. So, let's see. Oh, no. Why is it doing all that? Ooh. Go, Janice. It's your birthday. Go, Janice. It's your birthday. Go, Janice. It's your birthday. Ooh, we're gonna party like it's your birthday. What in the mother? Why is it so?
Red.
This is a lie. This is a lie.
That's because that's a cookie.
That's good.
You getting smart with me, young lady?
No, that's because this is so foamy and not so hard. You could just like do the hardness.
It shouldn't matter.
What, mommy? Wow.
It showed that it was a bread.
How?
That's
Don't get smart with me. I will mark your face. Oh, mark your face.
That's cool.
Getting smart with me. Cover that.
Is that marker?
And then the yellow one.
Huh?
I'm making a mess of you.
Then where's your shirt?
Curate this star.
What happened?
What?
I thought I was doing the star. What happened to the star?
You didn't do it correctly yet. You should do.
Oh, there goes the star. Mother of Mary. I just messed up the boy
Lunch.
Where's the blue one? You say I messed up his lunch, Destiny?
No.
Yeah. Pull this out. Pull this. Come on, man. Are you pulling the wrong side?
You were supposed to pull
You were pulling the wrong side.
Yeah, and you told me to
We
pull
know
that
you.
side. What is that, Mommy?
It's a star. It's a star, okay? It doesn't look like a star? Here. It's a star. It's a retarded star, but it's a star.
Hey, Mommy, why don't you just draw?
This is the struggle morning. So, yeah, today's Thursday. I wasn't going to send Jackson to school today because at their school, when they go on field trip, you have to drive your personal car because they don't have a bus that transports children. And so I have to drive. So she said, you know, she texted me. She was like, you have to drive. So I texted back. I'm like, nope, it can't happen because the time that they're going to the field trip is Maddie's nap time. And I'm not going to interrupt her schedule to go drive him and then having to stay there to drive him back to school and then having to pick them up and all of that and then having to do dinner and stuff. It wasn't just, it wasn't going to work. Had it was done correctly and I knew that I had to drive, I would have made arrangement. Where, this one? Yeah. So I texted her, I was like, you know, I'm going to keep Jackson home from school. Anybody else needs signature? Right now, like right now. I started my car already because you can remote start your car.
But what's in my lunchbox?
You can remote, I can remote start my car.
Mommy,
which is a plus.
if he's going to the field trip, wait, are you eating at school?
I gave him his lunch. Where's your lunch? Right here, you don't need a lunch bag.
Yeah.
You have to bring disposable.
Yeah.
Come on, come on, come on. I'm famous around here. You need to come on and get the signature. So she texted me, she was like, it's okay. If it's okay with you, he can drive in my personal car. So I had to rush to get him dressed because I had to find his school shirt because they have to wear their school shirt when they go out in public.
Thank you.
Come on, Jordan. We're gonna be early today. Every other day, this lady thinks that she's because she end up in the carpool lane early, sitting there. Like, I used to be the one, I used to be that person, you know. I used to be that one, the first one in the front of the lane in the mornings, never in the evenings, because I can never, I feel like those people go at 2:30 and sit until 3. No, baby, I don't have time for that. But in the mornings, I was like always the first. But then slowly that just started being the second, then the third, then the fourth. All of a sudden I'm the last one in the line, just rushing. Like, help me get my life together, people. Does anyone's purse ever looks like this? Like, why? Like, why?
Ready, put your jacket on. Ready, put your
Why?
jacket on.
Why? Just random stuff. Why? 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 Why, Jordan? Did you brush your hair?
Yes.
Let me see it. Turn around. Turn around to the side. You need a haircut. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
It doesn't like being in camera.
Oh, okay. I have to clean my kitchen. Keep turning around. Keep turning around. Do it as many times so you pass out.
You don't like being in the camera?
Why are you always talking somebody's business? You're always in somebody's business. Always. Get Maddie's shoe on. Get Maddie's shoe on. Get the dog upstairs. Back up. Back up, okay? Just back up, okay? So, dropped the kids off at school. I left here a whole 10 minutes earlier so I could get there on time. And guess what? I wasn't the first one. That was such a letdown. Such a letdown. So, because I didn't win at life this morning, I'm gonna go sit on my couch and watch a YouTube video because I just can't understand. I can't understand. I don't understand how I'm not winning at life. Oh my gosh, guys, tell me why. I was coming, I have to stand right here because the lighting is not the greatest in my house. And then my daughter is watching the TV at the loudest. Let's turn this down. Okay. Oh, so tell me why. Let me get close to my Christmas tree because this is life right here. Let's turn it on. I paid a pretty penny for that tree, so that tree was like 600 bucks. But it's pretty though, isn't it? So pretty. Look, our ornament, our family ornament. We don't look nothing like that, but it's okay. But anyways, I love it. I love it. It has different. Do not touch my tree. I'm gonna show you guys some ornaments on here that are near and dear to my heart. But anyways, so like I was saying, what was I saying? Guys, I don't understand what's going on right now. I was getting ready to tell you guys something, but it's totally slipped my mind. Now I won't be able to tell you guys because I don't remember. Alright, so this is Marcelo and I's ornament. It's like two little birds kissing. It's a bird kissing. This is our family. This is our dog, Juju. This is his ornament. Where's Destiny's? Oh man, I'm trying to find Destiny. This is a picture when we took when they were much younger. We took them to see this white guy. That's my brother there. I don't talk to him anymore. Where is it? This is Madison's first ornament. I colored it. I helped her color it for her. Where is it? I don't see where Destiny put her. Watch out, Maddie. Watch out. And that's just a pillow I got from Hobby Lobby. And where is it? I don't even see it. Don't touch it. We have our church right here. I got from the Dollar Tree. So pretty. Because we have to have the church. I forgot Jackson booster seat. He's supposed to have a booster seat. I forgot his booster seat. I forgot his booster seat. This is just my brain thinking. What to do? What do you do? Calm down. Get you on these steppings. What are you doing? What you doing? Okay, alright, that's enough. I can't, not today. I'm gonna sit down, people. Sit down, I'm gonna sit down. I just took out chicken. I just remember I got his booster seat. How could I have been such an irresponsible parent and forget his booster seat? Like, I forgot his booster seat. She haven't texted me. She did text me, I just didn't see the text. But I forgot his booster seat. I'm gonna go take Jackson's his car seat. They leave at 12:20. It's 11 o'clock now, so I'm just gonna go drop it off. Cause I was gonna edit and just call it a day. But I'm just gonna go over there and drop that off and then pick up some lunch and then come back here. Why not, right? I was gonna stop and get some Chick-fil-A, but then I was like, oh no. I'm not even hungry, but I love Chick-fil-A, so oh my gosh.
I think it's pretty good now. So I can get some to drink. And make sure you clean up.
Why? What are you guys doing? You need to be doing something.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
You need to be doing something. Come on. What are you doing? You need to be doing something. Now to get off of there. Get off. No, you don't. No, 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 no. You're going to stop back talking me. Do you hear me? Go away. Guys, you know I did all of that. I drove to Jackson's school. Don't mind my hair, it's a bit crazy. It's the end of the day. I drove to his school and dropped off his booster seat, and the boy said he didn't even use it. Extra booster seat in her car. Use it. So I wasted my fuel because my gas light came on, and I was like, you know, if I didn't have to drive back there, I would have enough gas to take them to school and back, which I still have enough gas, I think. We shall see. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you guys tomorrow if I feel great.
Bye, guys.
Oh, bye, Jojo.
Hi. Bye.
Oh.